Legends on the beat.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today we will be installing some new tail lights on my Toyota Tacoma, and I'm wearing my mask because there's like this smoke coming from California and Oregon. It's just blowing where I live here in Washington, and it's pretty bad. Like as you guys can see, it looks really foggy, but that's just all smoke. It's been like this for a couple days too. It's pretty bad. Let's get down to the goods. Right here we got some Spyder tail lights. They're the Optic LED. I already opened them. Sorry guys. But here we go. This is what we're working with. They look really sick. I like the LED strip too. It's gonna look really nice. All right there. These are smoked. I didn't want them smoked, but these were the only ones available. The clear housing ones were out of stock, and I just wanted them, so I was like, I mean, it's not gonna hurt. So I mean, I want to try them out, see how it's gonna look. Well, enough talking. Let's get this install started. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the guards on. I feel like it's gonna look better without them, with the new tail lights. I don't know. I'll compare them. I'll put one on and one off, see how it looks. All you're gonna have to do is get two 10mm bolts out. This one and this one. I just have this guard on, so it looks a little different, but just two bolts here and there. Alright guys, so after you guys get those 10mm bolts off, you pretty much just pry the tail light out. It's clipped in. Oh, I don't know what that was, but yeah. Pretty much just clipped in by these two little knobs. This like little knob right there just clips in right there. There's another one down there. After you unclip the tail light from the body, pretty much undo the bulbs all around. There's a little one over here. Then over here, there's like a little bit there. I mean, we'll if you want, you get some pliers and hold this down and push it out so it can come out. Alright guys, so after you took out all your bulbs and unclipped your harness right there, you're ready to install the new tail light. Alright guys, to put it back, it's going to be a little different. You're pretty much only going to reuse this bulb down here. These are pretty much junk now since you're going to switch to LED. So you're going to take the bulbs out. You're going to connect this to the harness instead of the bulb. So you're going to take the bulbs out of the plugins, and you're going to connect this one to the top harness and this one to the bottom harness. Don't get them mixed up. So after you guys connect your tail lights, so the top orange bulb goes right here, the bottom one goes right here, and the bulb you're gonna keep goes back in there, and the harness pretty much gonna tuck it in right there because there's no where to really put it. And after you got it on there, pretty much gonna clip it back here. Man, doesn't that just look so much better than before? Wow. I'm actually kind of digging the smoke now. Really blends in with the black. But yeah, smoky taillights for this smoky weather. You guys get it clipped back in there. You're gonna want to put your 10mm back in there. Well, there you go, guys. That's how you install a tail light on a Toyota Tacoma, and you pretty much just do the same thing on the other side. All right, guys. So here's how it looks with the guards on, and here's how it looks without them. I don't know. I like them, and then I don't. Well, I like them regardless, but I don't know if I like it with them on or without them on. I don't know. I think I'll just rock them without them on for a bit, and if I feel like something's missing, then I'll just put them back on. This is what it looks like when they're on. Looks pretty cool. I dig them. I really like them. I ain't gonna lie. I'll when it gets dark, I'll come out here too, and I'll show a little clip how it looks like when it's dark. Okay, guys, so I did end up putting on the tail light guards all around. I don't know. It just looks weird without them since I've just had them on since forever. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think, how it looks. Just needs a wash. It's so dirty. Plus all this ash and smoke just on it, just getting bad. Probably end up doing the third brake light too. Make it match more, because it kind of looks weird. Everything's pretty much black and that's just red. Ooh, they look so good. I'm really digging them. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm not gonna lie though, when you're backing out, they're not so bright, you can't really see much. But, I mean, gotta pay to play, right? Looks or usability? Yeah, I'm going with looks, I guess. Alright guys, go on and off, babe. Alright, so that's pretty much how they look when you brake. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it all today for the truck. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care and be safe out there.